Hello, this is Dr. Okwebanwo, the CEO of Netpreneur 360 Inc. and founder of the Netpreneur franchise systems. Please accept my congratulations again for joining this Netpreneur franchise family. You are most welcome. Sure, I know it can be a bit overwhelming when you first get into this great program and you log onto this membership site and you are wondering what the hell is going on here. So let me walk you quickly through exactly what to expect as one of our most valued customers, students, and franchisees, of course. Number one, you need to familiarize yourself with the NFS members area that you are in right now. This website is loaded, and we have a walkthrough video for you. So watch the walkthrough video by one of my directors that takes you through the members area that will show you briefly what is where on this site so that you are not confused. You know where to find every aspect of this. That's number one. Number two, it is very important for you to join the private Netpreneur franchise Inner Circle club on Facebook, the NFS Inner Circle on Facebook. If you haven't joined already, you should have received an email or a link for you to join that private group. Or you can search for it on Facebook. It's NFS Inner Circle on Facebook. It is absolutely critical that you join this group, since this is where we will be giving you the 24/7 coaching and support that you need to help you maximize your package. We promise you to earn while you learn. And the only way we can do that is to mentor you continuously on Facebook. And you need to be a member of that group. This is also the group where we're going to be hosting the weekly live calls. Yeah, we will have a webinar link for you, but we'll also do it live in there to help you execute the NFS 30-day kickoff plan so that you can start earning immediately with the program. Number three, you need to get your NFS package set up for the execution of the 30-day kickoff challenge. We have this great program for every new franchisee in here called the 30 days to $3,000 with the NFS kickoff challenge. In order for you to make serious money before your 30-day trial is over, we deliberately allowed you to do a trial period for 30 days with this program so that we can give you an opportunity to actually see the value before you have to pay any reasonable money to us. We have put together a 30-day execution campaign that is particularly guaranteed to help you succeed over the next 30 days if only you will take those individual actions that we're going to be giving you. So, but to take advantage of that program, that 30-day kickoff challenge, you must first set up your franchise package by going through the franchise package setup training in the members area. You're going to see where to get that when you watch the walkthrough video. Watch the videos in the setup section of the members area and use them to get everything set up for yourself within the next 24 hours. Because your challenge, your kickoff challenge, is going to start 48 hours from you getting this particular program. However, if you are still struggling or having challenges doing this after you have watched the videos, I would strongly, sorry, excuse me. So if you are still having challenges doing this after you have watched the video, I encourage you to take advantage of our Netpreneur concierge setup plan by ordering it in the members area. There's a link to it in the members area, or simply going to concierge.nfspackage.com. It's the same thing. It's going to take you there. Concierge, that's CONCIERGE. concierge.nfspackage.com. Order the setup package and let our experts get everything set up for you within 24 hours of your order so that you can position yourself for day one of the execution campaign that typically will start about 48 to 72 hours after you have opted into this program. Number 14, I want you to note is you need to get ready to implement the 30 days to 3,000 kickoff campaign. This is at the very heart of us showing you where the money is. Most of our franchises who have followed the 30-day execution plan I've seen tremendous success within their first 30 days, and they never had to struggle maintaining their franchise after the 30-day period when you have to pay your monthly subscription. So we encourage you to take action by faithfully implementing the 30-day execution plan, and you're going to have a step-by-step manual given to you, broken down into the 30-day thing. You have everything you need to do each day for the next 30 days. It took us months to put that together for you. All you need to do is make sure you download the brochure, the step-by-step manual, and follow it religiously over the next 30 days. If you can do that, trust me, you will probably see this as one of the best investments you will ever make in terms of learning, in terms of earning while you learn on the internet. And finally, I want you to take advantage of our 24/7 support. We have several staff on assignment, particularly on our Facebook group, as well as our support area, support desk, to help you and support you to make sure you get the most out of this program. So take advantage of the Facebook group, as well as the live chat on our site, chat.netpreneurfranchise.com. There are people there who will chat with you to help you solve whatever problem that you have. In the meantime, if there's anything you need, please do not hesitate to contact our support team at support@netpreneur360.com. That's support@netpreneur360.com. Please watch out for my next video where I explain the 30 days NFS kickoff campaign in detail. And I will explain to you what it is, the objectives, and how you are going to make this the best exercise you ever had for you. Please, taking advantage of the 30-day campaign is the key to success with all of this. So be sure to watch the next video and also look out for my next email, because I will send you an email as well as a video in the members area to prepare you for this. Again, I want to welcome on behalf of the Netpreneur franchise family, I want to welcome you to this exciting program that will help you earn while you learn. Again, this is Dr. Kwebanwo, the founder of the Netpreneur franchise system, and I look forward to helping you to finally break through on the internet.